Tuskabosio kabiro mokonyi bomuraibu ense ya Kenya Rigathi Gachagua na bigo muraibu kyama ya DCP nigaesokire na Komochia umuraibu ense na serikali ya Kenya kwanza asokobeka hemiroberio yo gwake ECHABA CHIBESA echo kitari korengana neri chiko RI'EBENGI NINE yense chinga kechobo igo Gachagua niga mochire gatia barai bari ba Komochia buna NIGO aborire habara yabasubati amaskani asate bire niga kogendia siasa choko ene kyankubwata ni ara bamenyi bonsi ense moyo rwangura Mount Kenya.
And the people of Kenya must know that Kasongo and his people wamenunua Delaru. Delaru ni ile kampuni ilikuwa na print pesa ya Kenya. Wameinunua. Fungwa. Inataka ifunguliwe. Na tuko na hofu. Tukiona vile Kasongo anaenda. Ameamini ya kwamba ndio arudi kama rais, lazima ahonge watu na pesa. We are fearing as a country that probably he want to borrow a leaf from Daniel Arap Moi. In 1992, Daniel Moi printed money outside the central bank requirements and provisions. Akaprint noti ya 500 ilikuwa inaitwa Jirongo. Akahonga nayo watu, caused inflation that the economy almost collapsed. We want William Ruto to assure the people of Kenya that he has not bought Delaru to print money to bribe voters and cause inflation that can collapse our economy. We are very apprehensive. And we want people to be on the lookout. We want to urge the central bank governor not to allow William Ruto to print currency outside the requirements of CBK. Again, I said, and I want to repeat, the current supplier of currency notes to Kenya in Germany have not supplied for 4 months because they are being told to offload the currency notes in Mombasa, which is against the requirements and the arrangements that are in the contract. The money is supposed to be disbursed and delivered to CBK Nairobi. And the German contractors are apprehensive that probably these notes will be diverted for the campaign. Nimeona magavana hawa watatu wakilia. Huyu wa Kirinyaga, huyu wa Nakuru, na huyu wa Embu. That I'm too hard on them, that I'm fighting women. That I have a problem with women. I have no problem. Everybody knows how much I love my wife. Everybody knows. Mpaka wanalalamika. Ati niko naye kila siku. I have tremendous respect for women of Kenya. And my support base is actually women. They pray for me and support me to the hilt. And I'm entirely grateful. And we have great women in this country. And we honor them. And in my team, I have strong women. Women Rep Kirinyaga, the MP for Inavasha, the MP for Kipipiri. They are pillars of my leadership. What I have a problem with are traitors. And a traitor is a traitor, irrespective of gender.